If you're over 55, carry-on rules can feel like a moving target. The size box at the gate looks tiny. Overhead bins fill fast. Your shoulder hurts, and you just want your meds and a sweater within reach. The good news? There are simple, quiet tricks that make a big difference. Today, I'll share 9 carry-on secrets that airlines rarely explain, and most travelers never hear. By the end of this video, you'll know how to pack to protect your back, glide through TSA with fewer hassles, avoid surprise bag fees, and keep your essentials exactly where you need them. These tips are senior-friendly, airline-agnostic, and easy to use on your very next flight. Policies do vary and can change, so always check your airline and TSA's current rules before you go. Ready to fly lighter, calmer, and with less pain? Secret number 1. Choose a soft-sided underseat bag with a tapered shape. Hard shells waste space and don't squeeze into tight frames. A soft, slightly flexible personal item fits better into airline sizes and under seats. Aim for a bag that matches your airline's posted personal item size. Those numbers vary by airline, so check before you buy. Use 2 medium compression cubes inside, 1 cube for clothing, 1 cube for backups like a scarf, socks, and spare undergarments. The taper keeps the top slim, so it slides under the seat without crushing your feet. Side bonus, soft sides are kinder to your knees. Secret number 2, build a 2-minute unzip layout. Put your must-show items at the very top and front. That means your quart-sized liquids bag, your medications, and your tech. Use clear pouches for liquids and meds. Color code if you can. Blue for meds, clear for liquids, red for charging cables. Keep a flat document sleeve behind them with your ID, boarding pass, and any medical notes. At security, you unzip, lift the clear bag, and you're done. No digging, no stress. If you have TSA pre-check, you may keep liquids and laptops inside, but it's still smart to place them up top. Rules can change, and some airports ask you to remove items anyway. Quick favor, share your best carry-on tip in the comments. Your idea could help a fellow traveler save pain or fees on their next trip. Secret number 3, protect your back with smart weight placement. If you roll a suitcase, keep the heaviest items low near the wheels. This lowers the center of gravity, so the bag doesn't twist your wrist or shoulder. Keep the top light with soft items like a sweater or scarf. In a backpack, place dense weight in the middle of the bag, close to your spine. Use both straps and add a small chest clip if your pack has one. Keep total carry-on weight realistic. 10 to 15 pounds is a comfortable target for many seniors. If that still feels heavy, split weight. A light rolling bag, plus a small crossbody for meds and documents. Your body will thank you. Secret number 4, glide through TSA with a clear meds plan. Medications are allowed in carry-ons. It's smart to keep them in original labeled containers if you can. Liquid medications and gel packs for cooling can be allowed in reasonable quantities beyond the 3.4-ounce rule. Tell the officer you have medically necessary liquids, separate them, and be patient if they need extra screening. You can bring a pill organizer. A printed list of your prescriptions helps if questions come up. Policies can vary by airport and shift, so arrive a bit early and be flexible. If you have TSA pre-check, lines are usually shorter, shoes stay on, and the process feels calmer. Less fumbling means less stress. Secret number 5, where you place the bag matters. If you can lift safely, aim for an overhead bin near or just across the aisle from your seat, slightly forward. You'll see it without twisting your neck, and you can retrieve it without waiting for half the cabin to stand. If lifting overhead is hard, ask a flight attendant or a strong fellow passenger for help. It's allowed to ask. If you need extra time to board, most U.S. airlines offer pre-boarding for those who need it due to a disability or mobility challenge. Policies vary, so ask at the gate. The goal is simple: protect your back and reduce reach. Secret number 6, beware the expansion zipper trap. Many bags expand with an extra zipper. It seems useful, but expanded bags often fail the sizer box and get gate checked. On some fares, that can mean fees and waiting at baggage claim. Pack to your airline's posted size with the expansion zipper closed. Measure your bag when it's fully packed, wheels and handles included. A small luggage strap around the middle can compress the bulge. Mid-video rehook. The most common mistake seniors tell me about is overfilling that expansion and getting tagged at the gate. Close the zipper, keep the shape slim, and you'll save money, time, and shoulder strain. Secret number 7. Use a lightweight travel vest or jacket as wearable space. Choose one with several flat pockets, not bulky cargo pockets. Keep it simple: passport or ID, glasses, phone, a slim wallet, tissues, earplugs, and a small sanitizer. This moves essentials onto your body so your bag can stay lighter and organized. At security, you can slide the vest off and place it in a bin, like a single big pouch. Avoid coins and heavy metal items that set off alarms. This trick reduces rummaging and protects your bag. Secret number 8. Understand the airport shopping rule of thumb. Many U.S. airlines allow you to carry items you bought after security, in addition to your carry-on and personal item, as space permits. But this is not guaranteed. If the flight is full, you may be asked to place smaller purchases inside your existing bags. A full flat tote in your pocket is handy. After security, you can carry an empty reusable water bottle you brought from home and fill it at a fountain. That's allowed. For bulky items, ask the gate agent if your purchase must fit into your current allowance. Policies can vary by airline and route, so a quick friendly ask can save a last-minute repack. Secret number 9. Build a small in-seat kit you can grab with one hand. Use a thin zip pouch about the size of a paperback book. Pack your day of travel meds, a small pack of wipes, eye drops, lip balm, a pen for forms, wired earbuds, and a soft sleep mask if you like. Add a flat snack like a granola bar and a collapsible phone stand. Keep this pouch in your personal item's top pocket during boarding. Once seated, slide it into the seat back pocket after takeoff. Do not block the safety card or overstuff it. Keep the rest of your bag overhead so your feet have room. One hand, one pouch. No overhead gymnastics. Make a simple routine. Before boarding, put boarding pass, ID, and the in-seat kit at the very top of your personal item. Zip everything else. At your row, pull the pouch out, sit, buckle, and breathe. After landing, place the pouch back on top of your personal item so you don't leave it behind. If you use a cane or walker, clip the pouch to your bag handle with a small carabiner so it stays with you during transitions. Small systems remove stress and protect your energy for the trip. Let's put the 9 secrets into a simple door-to-seat flow. The day before, measure your bag packed, expansion zipper closed. Keep heavy items low near wheels, light items on top. Build your 2-minute unzip layer. Liquids, meds, and tech at the top and clear pouches. Put your in-seat kit in the most accessible pocket. Charge devices fully and coil cables in a red pouch. Sleep well knowing everything has a place. On travel day, dress in layers and, if you like, a lightweight, pocketed vest. At security, place the vest and your top pouches in the bins. Declare medically necessary liquids calmly if you have them. After security, fill your reusable bottle, grab a snack if needed, and head to the gate early. If you need extra time, ask about pre-boarding according to your airline's policy. When boarding, keep your personal item under the seat, and if you can lift safely, place your carry-on in a bin, slightly forward or across the aisle, so retrieval is easy. If lifting hurts, ask for help. There is no prize for doing it alone. In your soot, pull out the in-seat pouch, buckle up, and relax. You now have meds, water, and comfort items without reaching overhead. When the flight ends, reverse the steps. Pouch back in bag. Stand when the aisle opens. Retrieve your carry-on safely. With practice, this flow becomes automatic. The result, less pain, fewer fees, and calmer travel flight after flight. We covered 9 carry-on secrets most travelers never hear. A soft, tapered personal item. A 2-minute unzip layout. Smart weight placement to protect your back. A clear meds plan for TSA. Smarter bin choices and asking for help when you need it. Avoiding the expansion zipper trap. Wearable pockets to keep essentials on you. Airport purchase rules asked and confirmed. And the unzip kit that makes the whole flight easier. None of these require buying expensive gear or memorizing complicated rules. They're simple habits you can use on your very next trip. One last reminder. Airline and TSA policies can vary and do change. Check your carrier's current size limits and the TSA website before you travel. Bring patience, a friendly attitude, and a plan. That combination gets you through almost anything at the airport. If this helped you feel more confident, consider subscribing and tapping like. You'll stay up to date on senior-friendly travel tips that save your bag, save your time, and protect your money without the stress. I'm here to help you fly with comfort and calm, one small win at a time.